How to block someone on Reddit. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Reddit. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, open the profile of the person you want to block. After you're in their profile, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on the three dots, at the bottom, you'll find option. Click on block. After you've clicked on block, click on block account again. After you've clicked on block account again, the person will be blocked and you will find a message at the bottom. The profile has been blocked. You can repeat the same process and block the people you want. And this is how to block someone on Reddit. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.